Hello and welcome to the Philippines. I'm going to show you around Jump Shot Sports Bar, Mandaue City, very close to immigration. What nights do you have? You have a band here some nights?
Every night.
Every night?
Yeah. Oh, like have you been up here on a Friday night at like 11 o'clock at night?
No, I don't think so.
Wait, in about 2 hours from now, this place will be standing room only.
Oh, really?
Like,
oh, wow.
They'll be dancing.
They are open 24 hours a day. Daryl, our shooting pool, is the owner. He has put together a pretty nice place there. They've got a menu, and they get a mix of people, foreigners, Japanese, Korean, from some of the English schools nearby. Friday nights, like many places, is the big night, but they've got a band 7 days a week. They had been putting together island hopping trips on a nice double-decker boat as well. They do a real good job with their Facebook pages, additional videos there as well. So I would advise you to check out that for any upcoming special events, that type of thing. Several TVs in there for viewing sports. They're located about 1 block away from the J Center Mall. If you come out of the front entrance to J Center Mall, that's where immigration is in Mandaue City. And you take a right, you walk about 1 block, they're up on the 2nd floor up there. I think there's a Japanese restaurant almost right underneath them, and a Filipino restaurant right out their entrance door just to the left. So anyway, thank you for coming along. Please like, share, and subscribe. Safe travels to you all, and we'll see you next time.